Looking for an easy way to turn your creativity into cash? Meet StickerLab, the AI-powered tool that lets you create and sell stickers in seconds. No design skills? No problem. StickerLab does the work for you. Just type in an idea, click, and watch stunning stickers come to life. Whether you want cute, funny, retro, kawaii, or anime styles, StickerLab has it all. Selling is easy. Upload your designs to platforms like Etsy, Amazon, Redbubble, or Shopify and start making sales. Sell digital downloads for instant profits or use print-on-demand services for hassle-free shipping. Why stickers? Because they're a high-profit, low-risk business model. With prices ranging from $2 to $7 per sticker, your profits can add up fast. StickerLab gives you everything you need to succeed. AI-powered designs, no skills needed. Full copyright, your stickers, your profits. No hidden fees, keep what you earn. ChatGPT integration, endless ideas for trending designs. Built-in editor, scale, remove backgrounds, and add text. Whether you're a beginner, entrepreneur, student, or side hustler, StickerLab is the ultimate sticker-making machine. And the best part? You can try it risk-free with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? Start creating, selling, and profiting today with StickerLab. Click the link below and launch your sticker business now.